Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my new GT sensor comp and I'm actually going to be sticking some frame protection on it. As you will see, I have already got it on at the moment because I stupidly forgot to do an intro. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I stuck it on and where I got it from and what brand it is and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I've bought a mountain bike. No engine on this one, but it should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to getting stuck in with it. The main reason I've bought one really is I just want to get fitter, you know? Like, I'm just not very fit, basically. So yeah, I really want to just get fitter and just have another hobby to do when there's no enduro or motocross on. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting into it, going to some trails and just seeing how much I can progress and all that kind of stuff. If this isn't your thing, then I do apologise, but yeah, this is the new thing that I'm going to be into now, as well as my enduro bike and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get into sticking this stuff on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so brought the bike inside. Gonna give it a quick little clean just because it has got some bits of dirt still left on it and a bit of GT85. So we'll clean that up. I bought this. It's actually a nail cleaning solution, but it is still like 100% isopropyl alcohol, so it should do the job. But it was way cheaper than buying a bottle of just isopropyl alcohol, so nail stuff will do. But these are the ones I've gone for. I bought 2 sets, so I got the like extra set and basic set just because I wanted some more, just in case I needed more. But yeah, I went for leopard print, which I was going to go for the camo, but I thought that was a bit too stereotypical of me, so I got for something different. One down, plenty more to go, but I really like how that looks. So I knew obviously with having a darker frame that it wasn't going to show up massively, but I like that stealthy look. So yeah, I think that looks pretty sick. yeah, I think I still need a couple of bits, maybe for the, whatever you call it, I don't know, seat posty back bit, you know. But yeah, I might just get some clear one for that or something. They're actually really easy to put on. I'd just say with anything, just take your time basically and just make sure you do a proper job. But I actually really like the texture of these stickers. They're like honeycomb effect, so they feel like they're going to be more hard wearing. At least that's what this says on the packaging anyway. I chose the cheetah print, I think they call it, just because I wanted to make it a bit more personal. It wasn't actually intentional to get a mountain bike that was the same kind of colours as my enduro bike. It just happened that way, and I'm really happy that it is because this is my favourite colour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.